Welcome to Virginia, where every stone whispers history and every sunrise brings a new story. Located on the east coast of the United States, Virginia is where America began, home to the first English colony in Jamestown, the battlegrounds of independence and the birthplace of 8 U.S. presidents. From the misty peaks of the Appalachian Mountains to the calm shores of the Chesapeake Bay. From quaint colonial towns like Williamsburg to the urban rhythm of Richmond and Northern Virginia, this state blends the past and the present with effortless grace. In Virginia, you don't just visit landmarks, you walk through the chapters of a nation. Monticello, Mount Vernon, Civil War trails, each place a portal to another time. But Virginia isn't only about history. It's about wine country sunsets, fall festivals, vibrant art scenes, and hiking trails that stretch into the sky. It's farmers' markets, university towns, and the deep southern charm that makes you feel at home the moment you arrive. This is Virginia, a place where tradition and transformation walk side by side, where nature meets heritage, and every season brings its own kind of wonder. Come discover a land that doesn't just welcome you, it stays with you. Lebanon, a charming small town located in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Virginia, is located near the Gand County line. With a population of around 1,400 residents, it is close to various state parks and natural attractions, offering a peaceful lifestyle amidst lush forests and rolling hills. The quaint downtown area features local shops, restaurants, and art galleries, contributing to a community-oriented atmosphere. Nearby towns provide plenty of recreational options, such as fishing, hiking, and camping, while urban areas offer modern conveniences like shopping and entertainment. Despite its small size, Lebanon is rich in cultural and entertainment activities, including music festivals, art galleries, live theater, and water sports at Smith Mountain Lake. Life in Lebanon is comfortable and relaxing, making it a wonderful place to call home with its charming downtown, mountain views, and peaceful surroundings. Rosslyn, a vibrant urban center located in the heart of Arlington, Virginia, is rich in culture and diversity, bustling with lively businesses and a community closely connected to the best of the Washington, D.C. area. This urban village has consistently led the way in development, housing some of Arlington's most iconic structures, including the Twin Towers, as well as high-rise apartments and a variety of smaller buildings. Rosslyn shapes Arlington's impressive skyline, featuring towering office buildings and condominiums, adding a modern and distinctive flair to the region. The freeway in Green Forest is a long, winding highway running through the heart of a lush green forest, rich in vegetation. As you drive along this road, the scenery on both sides will make you feel like you are lost in a beautiful, natural world, where the beauty of nature embraces you at every turn. Maymont, located in the heart of Richmond, Virginia, spans 100 acres of beautifully preserved land, where visitors can immerse themselves in history, nature, wildlife, and the community spirit. Originally built as a Gilded Age estate overlooking the James River, Maymont opened its doors to the public in 1926, offering free admission to explore miles of scenic walking paths, historically landscaped gardens, and to interact with friendly farm animals and rescued native wildlife along the Virginia Wildlife Trail. Guests can enjoy guided and self-guided tours of the 1893 Maymont Mansion, as well as the estate's historic buildings and gardens, including the engaging run-of-the-river experience, which showcases the remarkable ecology of the James River at the Robbins Nature Center. Damascus, a quaint town in southwest Virginia, proudly holds the title of Trail Town, USA, thanks to the intersection of 7 nationally recognized trails within its limits. Originally a railroad town that thrived during the lumber boom of the early 20th century, Damascus successfully transitioned to an economy focused on outdoor recreation and tourism in the 1990s and has continued to thrive ever since. Today, tourism stands as one of the main economic drivers in Washington County, second only to agriculture. The area offers some of the finest outdoor recreational opportunities in the Southeast, with adventures for everyone. Both the Appalachian Trail and the Virginia Creeper Trail run through the heart of Damascus, complemented by several other long-distance hiking, cycling, and motor routes. Just beyond the town lies the expansive Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, offering breathtaking views of Virginia's highest peaks, scenic mountain ridges, and lush spruce fir forests, along with trout streams and over 500 miles of trails. Here, you can explore the state's 3 tallest peaks, Mount Rogers, White Top Mountain, and Pine Mountain, with Wilburn Ridge adding to the natural allure. Pulaski, located in the River Valley, boasts direct access to I-81 and is just 10 miles from I-77, making it a convenient location within a 10-hour drive for half of the U.S. population, as well as being close to an international airport. This evolving rural mountain community is characterized by its abundant amenities, strong agricultural roots, and advanced manufacturing, creating a perfect blend of rural charm and modern development. The area is rich in outdoor activities, featuring two of Virginia's most visited state parks, offering endless recreational opportunities. Shenandoah National Park, dedicated on July 3, 1936, was Virginia's first national park. Stretching along the Blue Ridge Mountains from Front Royal to Waynesboro, this narrow preserve separates the scenic Shenandoah Valley from the rolling Piedmont to the east. The park boasts a diverse range of plant and animal life, with elevations ranging from 550 feet to over 4,490 feet at Hawksbill Peak. Explore the wonders of Shenandoah, where breathtaking mountains and starry skies create unforgettable experiences. Whether you're hiking, horseback riding, or stargazing, there's something for everyone. Enhance your visit by staying at Skyland Resort for stunning views, or enjoy the rustic atmosphere of Big Meadows Lodge, with accommodations suited for every adventurer. Shenandoah invites you to connect with nature in its unparalleled beauty. Colonial Williamsburg is an essential attraction for visitors of all ages. Notable landmarks include the Capitol, the Governor's Palace, the Courthouse, the Raleigh Tavern, and the Magazine. Experience the charm of rare animal breeds and beautifully restored gardens that enhance the authenticity of your visit. Nature enthusiasts will appreciate the Arboretum, which showcases period species of oak trees and more than 30 historic gardens, each telling a unique story of nature from that era. Traveling to the University of Virginia in Charlottesville promises an enriching experience. You can easily reach UVA via Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport, just 15 minutes away, or take a 2-hour drive from Washington, D.C. The campus is renowned for its historic grounds, including the iconic rotunda and the picturesque lawn, both designed by Thomas Jefferson. While you're there, be sure to visit the Rosslyn Museum of Art and the Cluggia Aboriginal Art Collection for a taste of culture and art. Tibbet Knob is a scenic destination located in the George Washington National Forest near McDowell, Virginia. Part of the Allegheny Mountains, it offers breathtaking views, especially from its summit. The area is popular for hiking, with trails that weave through beautiful forests and diverse ecosystems, making it an ideal spot for nature enthusiasts. The hike to Tibet Knob involves a moderately challenging trail, making it accessible to hikers of various skill levels. Along the way, visitors can immerse themselves in the rich flora and fauna of the region, with plenty of opportunities for birdwatching and spotting wildlife. Lexington, a charming college town, is steeped in history and surrounded by the breathtaking beauty of the Shenandoah Valley. Its vibrant downtown area boasts unique restaurants, artisan shops and galleries, all reflecting the local culture. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy mountain vistas along the Woods Creek Trail or take scenic drives on the Blue Ridge Parkway, soaking in the natural beauty from every angle. For history buffs, Lexington offers a rich Civil War heritage, including the final resting places of iconic figures like Robert E. Lee and Stonewall Jackson. The city is also home to two prestigious institutions, Washington and Lee University and the Virginia Military Institute, creating a lively atmosphere filled with students and educational events. Visitors can stroll through the historic downtown, exploring eclectic shops, dining options, and public art displays. With its blend of history, education, and natural beauty, Lexington is a delightful destination for both residents and travelers alike. The James River is Virginia's largest river, flowing through the heart of the state. Originating in the mountains, at the confluence of the Cowpasture and Jackson Rivers in Botetourt County, it winds its way into Chesapeake Bay at Hampton Roads. At 340 miles long, it is the largest tributary to the Chesapeake Bay and one of the longest rivers in the U.S. that starts and ends within the same state. Fed by an impressive network of 25,000 miles of tributaries, the James River serves as a vital habitat for the Atlantic sturgeon, a species that has existed for over 120 million years and is one of the largest roosting areas for bald eagles along the eastern seaboard. Its diverse ecosystems support a wide range of species, and ongoing conservation efforts are in place to protect these habitats from urban development and climate change. Additionally, the river acts as a crucial corridor for migratory birds and other wildlife, facilitating connections between ecosystems across the state. The riverfront has also become a vibrant area, hosting festivals, art installations, and outdoor performances, further cementing Richmond's reputation as a cultural and creative hub in the Mid-Atlantic region. Virginia Beach is where people genuinely live life to the fullest every day, and they're eager to share their vibrant lifestyle with newcomers. Recognized as one of the happiest communities in the country, each day is filled with exciting moments, and building lasting connections is a top priority. The joy here is palpable, with warm smiles that make this place feel like home. Life in Virginia Beach is enriched by breathtaking natural beauty, a flourishing culinary scene, a rich history, and a diverse array of arts and entertainment. Family-friendly attractions offer year-round fun for both locals and visitors alike. Unique districts like the lively oceanfront, the peaceful Sandbridge Beach, the serene Chesapeake Bay, and the bustling town center create a diverse atmosphere. The eclectic vibe of the creative district and the inland areas offer experiences for everyone to enjoy. Virginia Beach is celebrated for its vibrant dining scene, arts, maritime history, and family-friendly attractions, making it a destination that truly has something for everyone. Roanoke, home to nearly 100,000 residents, is a mountain city and an innovative hub known for its award-winning outdoor amenities, extensive trails, charming neighborhoods, and vibrant public art. With iconic landmarks like the Roanoke Star, a rich array of museums, and numerous craft breweries and unique shops, the city is a perfect blend of modern creativity and historical charm. The artistic community in Roanoke thrives, offering captivating galleries and live entertainment every day. Enjoy theatrical performances, concerts, or comedy shows at the Berglund Center, cheer on the Roanoke Rail Yard Dogs hockey team, or take part in outdoor sunset concerts and festivals at the Elmwood Park Amphitheater. While Roanoke may not be the largest city you've visited, the Greater Roanoke region serves as the business center of Western Virginia and a hub for the medical industry. Healthcare is the region's largest employer, followed by retail, public sector, and industries like transportation, construction, and manufacturing, particularly in car parts, windows, and tires. Additionally, accommodations and food services thrive, as Roanoke is the largest city near the popular Blue Ridge Parkway in Virginia. Richmond stands out as a destination with its vibrant culture, incredible cuisine, rich history, and stunning landscapes, all complemented by a creative spirit and a diverse, welcoming community. One unique highlight is the Richmond Region Mimosa Trail, believed to be the first of its kind. Whether you're in the mood for a luxurious brunch, live entertainment, rooftop views, or even a game of mini golf with a bubbly drink in hand, you'll find the perfect spot to brighten your day along this delightful trail. The musical scene in Richmond is just as lively, with the Richmond Symphony and the Virginia Opera Association taking center stage, alongside many other organizations that offer regular performances. Additionally, Richmond hosts a variety of touring Broadway shows and guest performances, enhancing the local arts scene. The Richmond Ballet and the Concert Ballet of Virginia further contribute to the city's rich performing arts culture. Charlottesville, located in central Virginia, is about 100 miles southwest of Washington, D.C., and 70 miles northwest of Richmond. Nestled at the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains and near the headwaters of the Rivanna River, the city operates independently from any county or political entity. Known as the former home of 3 founding fathers and the current location of the University of Virginia, Charlottesville is steeped in both history and intellectual vibrancy. Visitors can explore the university campus, stroll through the beautiful malls, and admire the impressive buildings designed by Thomas Jefferson, or visit the dorm room once occupied by Edgar Allan Poe. The historic homes of early American presidents, including Monroe, Jefferson, and Madison, are open for public tours, allowing guests to walk through history. Charlottesville and its surrounding areas are also home to numerous notable figures, such as actor Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, as well as authors like John Grisham, Tammy Hoag, Jan Karan, and Rita Mae Brown. Additionally, the city boasts former poet laureate R. Dove, who served as a professor at UVA. Harper's Ferry, a destination etched in memory, where rivers converge and history lingers in the air. Among its winding streets lies a culinary surprise. At the Rabbit Hole, bar-style fare takes on a modern twist, reimagining American classics in a space that hums with lively charm. For a more laid-back, local experience, Almost Heaven Pub and Grill offers hearty pub food paired with a fine selection of local craft beers. Seneca Rocks, rising boldly from the heart of Monongahela National Forest, stands as one of West Virginia's most iconic natural landmarks, particularly beloved by rock climbers. Towering nearly 900 feet above the North Fork River, this jagged formation of white and gray Tuscarora quartzite dominates the skyline. Together with nearby Champay Rocks, it forms a dramatic testament to the ancient geological forces of the Appalachians. Yet this awe-inspiring sight isn't only for the fearless. A 1.3-mile self-guided interpretive trail begins at the Seneca Rocks Discovery Center, guiding hikers through a mosaic of hardwoods and conifers, alive with deer, foxes, and vibrant bird species. At the summit of the trail lies an observation deck, wide, welcoming, and perfect for capturing the panoramic valley views and savoring a moment of well-earned rest. For those seeking a greater thrill, there's a chance to climb even higher. But caution is advised. Historical signs warn of past accidents. If heights aren't for you, the magic of Seneca Rocks can still be felt from below, a monument carved by time, towering in silent majesty. If you enjoyed this video and loved joining us on this journey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new adventures. We have so many amazing trips and places waiting for you, and we want you to be a part of every step we take. Hit that subscribe button now, and let's embark on unforgettable adventures together.